Listen, read and say.
The city has streets, but the country has roads. In the country one meets blue carts with their loads of sweet smelling hay and mangoes and grain. Oh, take me away to the country again. In the city one sees big drums rattle by, and the breath of the chimneys that blow to the sky. And all down the pavements, street lamp posts one sees, but the country has hedgerows, the country has trees. As sweet as the sun, in the country is rain.